The 2025 Glow Up Guide: Beauty and Health Trends That Actually Work. It's 2025 and the beauty and health scene is shifting in a big way. We're done with overcomplicated routines and hype-based products. Simplicity, personalization, and long-term wellness are in. The focus now is on intelligent beauty, knowing your body, honoring your skin's needs, and syncing health with natural aesthetics. One of the biggest shifts? Skin barrier care. Gone are the days of stripping your skin with harsh acids. Now, it's all about strengthening your skin's natural defenses using ceramides, postbiotics, and gentle repair serums. Dermatologists emphasize the less is more routine. Just 3 to 4 well-chosen products can outperform a 10-step regimen if used consistently. Inside-out beauty is also dominating. The idea is simple. What you eat shows on your skin. Collagen powders, gut-friendly fermented foods, and personalized vitamin blends are trending. More people are turning to DNA-based nutrition plans to find what their body actually needs. Influencers and medical professionals alike recommend syncing your meals with your hormonal cycle, especially for women, to reduce bloating, hormonal acne, and energy crashes. Cycle syncing is becoming mainstream, making grocery shopping feel like biohacking. And it's not just about food. Hydration has evolved beyond plain water. Functional drinks with adaptogens and electrolytes are your new beauty besties. Face yoga and microsculpting are now the go-to non-invasive beauty tools. Facial workouts have taken over TikTok, with millions replicating jawline and cheekbone sculpting techniques that don't require needles or filters. These exercises stimulate blood flow, tone facial muscles, and even help relieve jaw tension. Combined with gua sha or microcurrent tools, users claim visible results within weeks. It's also therapeutic. People report lower stress levels and better sleep. Wellness tech, like guided face yoga apps and custom massage wands, is booming, all geared toward empowering users to take beauty into their own hands, literally. Finally, digital detoxes and sleep beauty have become central to modern self-care. Blue light blockers, sound baths, and AI-powered sleep masks are now considered essentials. Studies in 2025 show that just 1 hour less of screen time before bed improves skin hydration and reduces cortisol levels. Brands are marketing sleep as a beauty treatment. Think silk pillowcases, sleep mists with magnesium and lavender, and overnight masks rich in hyaluronic acid. The message is clear. Rest is a ritual. True beauty now comes from quality sleep, aligned hormones, a nourished gut, and a calm nervous system, all of which you can cultivate from your own space.